Welcome to Nuocai LED. Nuocai LED, based in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, is a premier manufacturer of LED commercial displays with over 10 years of expertise. We specialize in cutting-edge products, including crystal film screens and transparent holographic displays, which can be applied to glass surfaces and are highly popular worldwide. Our extensive production capabilities also include traditional LED displays, ensuring high quality and competitively priced solutions. Choosing Nuocai LED means opting for innovation and reliability. For more details, visit our website, Nuocai LED, http://www.nuocai.com. Contact us. Sales WhatsApp, +852 5562 8196. We warmly welcome customers to visit and inspect our factory at any time.